Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Going to analyze gold for the next week. I understand um, it's much easier for us to go through the chart and not necessarily just talk about something without doing the practical stuff. So let's look at the charts and see how best we can benefit from the tools that I have created here, which is the ADR indicator and the consolidation indicator. And of course, our theory, which is we are looking for market movements that are three levels, either to the upside or to the downside, using weekly cycles. So let's just pause a moment and let's take a look at what is going on. So if you look, this is going to be your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday for last week. And on Monday, we have this accumulation that went on. And of course, the false move that happens on a Tuesday, which is this buy. Of course, it is a false move when we talk in terms of the weekly cycle, and how you can utilize that false move to then, at the end of the Tuesday, to trigger a sell that you can hold for at least a day. But if you see here, our ADR indicator hit the first level, is L1 here. And then after it hit that and it skipped to this point, it went and then stopped at level 3. Remember, all these levels are drawn before the day begins, so you already know where price could target. So already after seeing this and the false move on Tuesday, there's your double top and the retest here. So you could trigger a sell here and then wait. Of course, because we have a lot of liquidity trapped here. So let me just draw and say here liquidity. We have a lot of liquidity trapped here, so the market was never going to come back into this zone, which we are anticipating to happen this coming week. So this coming week, this is what we anticipate to happen. Before the end of Friday, market was going down, which means there's a lot of buyers trapped. So if buyers are trapped, then we expect them to be taken out on Monday. So expect a gap to the low on Monday. And then if the market is going to do that, then it triggers a little bit of orders just before it then comes back down to this zone over here. So this is what we're anticipating. We're anticipating a move to the upside, possibly to ADR level 1, which is this blue line, but not that since this line is the open will be here, so probably that blue line will be somewhere here. So that's where we're anticipating the market to go on level 1 ADR, and then once it does that, then it should come down and create a new 3-level pattern going down. Of course, we are not going to go the entire 3 levels immediately. We need to be able to trap some more liquidity here. Around this zone. Okay, let me just delete some of the drawings that I put there so that you can see much, much clearer. Okay, so I'm talking about this zone over here. We need to be able to trap liquidity there. So I'm saying this is what we are going to have to see happen. And then the market going down and breaking this zone that it created the previous Monday. So we anticipate that the market is going to do something like this and then start to go down a little bit. So all of this is liquidity to be grabbed. And we are waiting for that to happen this coming week. So what are we looking for this coming week? We are looking for sell opportunities at ADR level 1. So when the market opens, our indicator will draw for us where ADR level 1 indicator will be. And then we wait for that to happen where the market hits the ADR level 1, and then we trigger our sales, and then we can hold for the entire week, or you can just be looking for other sell opportunities as the week goes. But we are not buying gold this coming week. All right, thank you so much. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, any queries, you can just email me, text me on WhatsApp, and should be fine.